good looking neck, look.
Oh, yeah. God, I love Hong Kong. I love this. This is awesome. You should like. Happy. Oh, stop. Shit.
Oh.
Shit.
Shit, don't jump!
Don't jump! Don't jump! Fuck. Jump! Don't jump! Get your face. Don't jump then. Yeah. It stopped. The whole fucking thing stopped. And she is jumping. Stop it!
On the glass! Stop!
Oh.
They don't know we're in a glass one.
We've got no fucking... Why is it stopped?
Because some of our grandma's getting up.
No, because
One's fallen. I'm crashing to
because
the
it did-
ground.
One's fallen. One's fallen. YouTube. Shit.
Oh, look over there, there's a graveyard.
Oh, that's nice. Don't, no, not like that. It'll come off. It'll come off. It'll come off. Don't do it. The sign.
you have to look at your face. When you video your face, you're so fucking scared.
Video yourself. The nose goes, really like, ah.
Ooh, backward. Oh, because they didn't pay the power bill, so.
Right, are we're going the wrong way.
Oh shit. No, 3-4.
Free fall.
Still stuck. It's still stuck. It's been 10 hours. Well, let's just enjoy the view. Yeah. Ay-ya-ya. Starting to regret getting the crystal one. Oh no. This was not supposed to be like this. See, they're alright, they're near the ground.
Ooh. Eagle.
They're waiting for the dead. They're circling the vultures. How much? Don't drink all the liquid in case we need it, and we can drink urine, you know, 7 times.
Yep.
Yeah. Do you have Facebook?
We could stuck here for hours.
Yeah. Nah, it'll go in like 10 minutes.
It will be our dinner.
This is survival at about 1,000 feet.